Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I wanted to talk about how I find it's so difficult to arrange your finances. For years and years I was always paying bills late, paying all the fees late, getting all kinds of charges, interest, the whole shebang. And then I discovered the joys of getting myself a planner. A notebook was no good. I needed a planner with the dates in. So this one I bought from Home and Bargain. It cost me £1.50, but you can easily pick it up in a £1 shop, a dollar shop. And what's great about it, it's got the weeks in. So each page that you open up has got a full week in. So you can write in what you've spent, what you've bought, what shop you went to, and then there's a little note section at the bottom where you can say what you spent for the week. So it's a great way of keeping track. So what I tend to do on the first page, I write my income and expenses. So I write my fixed expenses at the top, my variable expenses in the middle, so I can work out what I've got going out each month, and then my income. I've got eBay at the bottom because I'm making about 100 a month on average. Some months it's a lot less, some months it's a little bit more, but over the year it works out about 100 a month. So there you got it in front of you, budgeting 101. Just write down what you've got going out. I haven't got a mortgage, so there's no need for me to have mortgage or rent. I haven't got a car. I've never had a car. If I've got a big shop, which I do twice a month, I get a taxi home. I think it's much cheaper and convenient, not having to worry about getting a car fix, buying tyres, paying insurance, the whole shebang. Just don't have a car. So my council tax, which is local tax, is reduced because I'm on a low income. My water bill is reduced because I'm on a low income. My gas and lecky are on a direct debit. So there's only me and my son, so it's not desperately high. It's gone down a lot lately because I've changed companies, because the company I was with was charging me far too much. I've got a little bit of council tax arrears, so that's the only debt I've got left now to pay, because there was just a big hold up for months because I'm on a low income and they wanted me to pay full council tax, which I couldn't do. And variable income, I've got a very small teacher's pension because I only did 7.5, nearly 8 years of full-time teaching and 12 years of supply. You get no pension or anything. So I've got a teeny tiny pension which I cashed in when I was 55. I'm 57 now. And what my son gives me every month, my youngest son is still living with at the moment, he's saving up to buy his own place. He's saving up for a deposit, so he's working all the hours that God sends. So I just take what I can off him. I don't want to take loads because I want him to be able to get his money together so he can buy his own place. My oldest son, who lives in Scotland, is doing the same. So there's my incomes, and I'll go and sat on the first page. Then inside, it's got a calendar. What I like is these, it's also got these pages. So I write in so I can clearly see every month what's going out and when it's going out, so I can just look at a glance and see what's going out that week, what's going out that month, and I just write in what I've got going out so I can keep track of it. Hello Puss, my cat's just turned up, using what I'm doing. All right, honey. And as I said, this is the weekly page that you get, and at the bottom I always write the total for the week that I spent, and if I'm lucky to have a little eBay sale, what I sold as well. Most weeks it's empty, but we'll see how we get on this year. And this cost me, like I said, £1.50 and a pen. so much easier to keep track on computers and all the rest of it. And you can see, you can plan a little bit as well. I highly recommend it. So this is my budgeting 101 video. I hope it helps you out a little bit, even if you've just got some paper. Oh, it's my puss. Hello, darling. This is my cat. She's 9 years old. She's a rescue. She's a black cat. So if you're going to rescue a cat, rescue a black cat, because they're the ones who get left behind. It's not just the elder cats, it's the black ones, because people are superstitious. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're wondering why I'm wearing my hat, I'm just about to put my boots and coat on and go shopping. Because as always, when it's Christmas, there's always something you've run out of. Hope you have a lovely new year, and hope to see you soon. Bye.